What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got Will from Silver Sport Transmission.
Everybody.
And dude, I appreciate you coming. There's a couple reasons, guys, Will came. And the first one is obviously the Silver Sport Transmission T56 kit with the hydraulic clutch and everything from Silver Sport is what's going in the Viper Blue car. And he was giving us some pointers and just kind of showing us some stuff as far as getting everything dialed in. You actually designed this kit.
I did.
Engineered this kit, so he's kind of an important dude.
I'm kind of a big deal.
But yeah, depends on who you ask, right?
Exactly.
But yeah, that's part of the reason, guys. As you know, we're putting the whole Silver Sport transmission kit in the Super Snake powered Foxbody. So he stopped by to kind of show us some stuff and all that. That's why you haven't seen an upload recently, because we were waiting on him to get down here and hang out with us. But right outside is the other reason that all you alternative Foxbody guys, you're gonna love this. So let's go check this thing out. All right, guys, if you're OG, you already know what you're looking at. If you're not OG, it's a 88, right? 87, 88, basically the same for these, but Cougar. And it is an XR7?
It is.
Okay, yeah, see? Real deal XR7. Now, here's the thing, guys. With these cars, they got the standard output, 5.0s. They got a 7.5 rear end and an automatic transmission. And 88 did have an 88. Okay. So, I mean, that was it, guys. Like, you open the hood and you had a Fuelie 5.0, but again, standard output. I think they're like 150 horsepower or something like that. Sorry, guys, we've got dogs losing their minds here. Anyway, you know, so you open the hood and you got an old school 5.0 in it. You know, it looks like it, but again, it's not roller cam. It's, you know, it's got the junk head, smaller intake, all that. But essentially, it looks just like a Mustang under the hood. So, you know, what's under the hood anyway? You got a little something, right? I'm loving this thing. And again, guys, there's so few of these cars left. It's just crazy. And look at
no
that. Yes, that's another thing that's different. Even though, guys, these are Fox chassis cars, there's quite a few different. I mean, even the cowl especially.
Top part of the cow is different.
Yeah, quite a bit different.
Everything from the pinch wheel down is the same.
Yeah, absolutely amazing. So this is a roller motor.
This one is, yes.
Okay, so you swap the engine.
Right. The original ones are roller motor, but they are the same XXX block,
Mm-hmm.
but they had cast pistons, not the forged like the HOs came with.
Right.
The valve release. So, but then the lower part of the intake is the same as an HO intake, but the upper's different.
The uppers, yeah, a little more restrictive. There was some differences, but essentially, guys, if you find one of these with a V8 in them, you can pull that engine out, put an HO engine in, swap PCMs, and you're pretty well good to go.
You're
I mean, now if you want to convert to mass air, that's you know, that's extra,
4
but
wires,
yeah.
different ECM.
So we've got stock E7 heads. It's got a cam in it.
Stage 1.
Stage 1, like trick flow. Okay, and then
Real light cam, same equivalent to E-cam.
yeah, trick flow intake, 7mm throttle body, mass air, headers, exhaust. But you've got the official Silver Sport kit in, of course,
Yeah,
being
it's got a TKO 600. Was an automatic car.
TKO 600. And again, guys, you couldn't get these from the factory with a V8 with a manual transmission. But as you can clearly see, and as we're about to go down the road in, it's got the kit. And not only that, but it's also got your hydraulic.
It's got a hydraulic kit in there. Fox bodies with push rod motors.
Yep. So I'm super stoked. I've never got to feel this before, and I'm super stoked to drive this and see how it feels. And of course you've got some serious. You've got the Cobra brakes on the SVE.
In the front, yes.
Okay.
So the back's got the regular new edge.
And it's got an edge car rear end.
It does.
Okay. What gears?
355.
355 gears, and then you've got Maximum Motorsport suspension. Some coilovers.
Bump steer kit.
Yeah, you can see it's got the Cobra brakes from LMR on there. Dude, I'm super stoked to drive this thing. You ready to go down the road?
Sure, whenever you're ready.
I'm ready to shift
Yeah.
this thing.
We're gonna build a beat on it.
Definitely. What exhaust is on it?
Yeah, it's basically just got a Summit Racing exhaust on it. For a Mustang.
Sounds great.
Those little
man.
turbo mufflers.
Yeah.
Now you probably noticed I got the pedal set a little high.
Yeah, that's what I noticed.
You can scoot the seat back if you want. The joystick's right here.
I forgot about that. See, mine had this console section too. Alright, so the 2-3 shift was always the one. I always felt locked out on those. Let's see what she does here.
Right in?
Yeah. I'm still learning the clutch,
Right.
but
That takes, okay, every car has a different clutch feeling no matter where you go in. So, you know, going from a cable clutch to a hydraulic clutch, it's obviously going from one car to the other car.
yes, it feels completely different. What in the world is that? It's
So you notice it's about the right amount of pressure
yep.
on that. It's not going to kill your leg, but it's more enjoyable to drive.
Yes. I mean, it feels like, you know, I've driven the newer S550 Mustangs with a hydraulic clutch, you know, and that's what this feels like. It's amazing. I don't even know the car yet.
Well, get to know it. Like I said, beat it up. You know these spots you can beat the crap out of them. They're gonna survive.
Oh yeah, exactly.
You know.
These cars are amazingly tough. But that was always my main thing. Is even the new edge swap we did, it had a TKO 600 in it. Wow.
Right in. See, that's the way it should be.
That's the way it should ship.
Actually, when you're driving on that side, and they're trying to go from 3 to 4. Sometimes just naturally you're going to want to pull back, and sometimes you're going to go from 3 to 2.
Right.
So, and this will also eliminate you from doing that too.
Alright, let me try this again here. That's better. I love it.
And your 56, it's even nicer.
Yeah.
'Cause you got-
I can't wait.
Just wait.
I cannot wait to feel that thing.
That's not even a long throw shifter. It's pretty short.
It's precise though, and I mean, there's no monkey business. I mean, it feels
It's a straight H pattern the way it should be.
right.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you gotta worry about. No fishing for gears.
Try this one more time, guys. I'm still a little surprised that I can actually ship a TKO 600 like this. Of course, everybody has their preferences.
Right.
You like what you like, and being raised on T5s, I didn't like how they felt. Let's try that 2.3 again. That is too much fun. Alright guys, so Will actually does have more plans for this car, which include not one but 2 Turbskis.
Yeah, exactly. 2 turkeys on here.
That's gonna be next level. You got some 11R Twin Pro heads coming for it.
Yeah. That's gonna be a winter project, so you're gonna be able to film at the after.
Definitely.
This is before,
Yes.
and you'll experience the after.
And we're gonna get out to Silver Sport Transmissions here for too long once COVID kind of calms down, because I want to see the operation you guys got going on there, and see some of your other projects. I mean, you guys did the transmission in Jay Leno's car, for God's sake. I mean, it's amazing what you guys have been involved with, and just this car again has definitely made me a believer. You promised me at Ford Takeover these shifters were awesome, and you didn't lie. It's
right.
But this is a game changer, definitely. All right, guys, so again, I had to shout out Silver Sport Transmission for coming out. I mean, I really appreciate you guys coming out and helping us, you know, getting this kit set up. It's an awesome kit, and you know, getting to drive the odd Fox with the hydraulic clutch is amazing. And as you can see, guys, we love all the Foxes out here. Love all the Foxes. People still don't understand that these are Fox bodies, you know, isn't that crazy? Right. And you guys don't know, but I had an 87 V8 Sport Thunderbird. That was my first Fox body, so I've got a really special place in my heart for these. But again, you know, it just shows your kit that's for a Mustang is, you know, it's on a Fox body. So
yeah, it's very simple.
Exactly. Yeah, and I also like that you guys are engineering new parts for, you know, these older cars, and you know, keeping them, you know, legit. You know, you can all on the road. Exactly. And you drove this thing 7 hours basically yesterday to come out here, and so it's dead nuts reliable. But again, huge shout out Silver Sport Transmission, and we'll be coming out to visit you guys soon. Looking forward to that.
See you.
Absolutely. So there you guys, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up, and keep it tuned because we'll have the Viper Blue car done here shortly, and we'll get to do some driving impressions on that, and man, all kinds of stuff. I don't know. You never know out here. So again, smash that subscribe button. Catch you next time.